Definitely not the kind of oud I was expecting. Feels very citrusy. I wonder what it's gonna smell like when it dries down. What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of a brand new fragrance from the house of Atyab Al Marshoud. Now, this fragrance, I have been chasing it for a long time. I was like, 50-50, like, should I get it or not? And then a couple of my good friends on the Fragcom, they really suggested that it's a beautiful fragrance. Now, of course, they are some of the people who are more interested in Middle Eastern fragrances. So I was like, what the heck? Let's get this. So today we're going to do an unboxing and a first impression of Atyab Al Marshoud's Marshoud for White. That's the name of the fragrance. So look at this wonderful presentation. All white, and I believe the bottle's white, of course. That's what got me interested in. We're gonna do the unboxing right now, and if you're a first-time visitor on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like contents like these. Now, I think there are two flankers to this fragrance. I think there's a Marshoud for Black, but I'm not too sure. But the thing that really got me interested in this fragrance is because it's got like a good dose of mint, citruses, and some other spices. So let's quickly unbox it. I'm not gonna take too much of time. Some cellophane. Yeah, it's nice, beautiful, feels very premium to the touch. I'm gonna unbox this right now, and wow, look at that. And I think this is a wooden cap. Really nice touch. Like, these are the things that I really like. Look at this bottle. Very simple, yet very elegant with that, especially with that like orange yellow kind of shade on that 4. Beautiful stuff. It's an eau de parfum concentration, and as per the website, so there are only a few notes listed. So this is what they say on the website. It says it's got oud, mint, saffron, and cardamom. So let's go ahead and spray this baby. Marshoud for White. First time smelling this. Okay, the cap, just be careful. The cap just sits there, does not lock into place. So don't pull it up by the cap, pull the bottle by the cap. All right, so it's got oud, it's got mint, saffron, cardamom. Pretty interesting. Let's see what Marshoud for White does. Here goes nothing. Wow, decent atomizer. Ooh, wow. Definitely not the kind of oud I was expecting. I'm used to like heavy, dense oud. But this is like more like a supporting note. I mean, you do feel it, but it's not like that super Middle Eastern kind of vibe. Like, it's not skanky, or it's very nice, mild, almost creamy kind of wood. Feels very citrusy. Okay, guys, like off the paper, it smells very nice, airy, almost has that powdery kind of vibe to it. Saffron is very nicely done over here. It's not too spicy. It's almost like a sweet, spicy vibe, sweet saffron. And guys, if you're familiar with saffron, sometimes it comes off as leathery. Sometimes it comes off as hot and spicy. So it's more, how do I say this? It's somewhere in between, like borderline, but it's very subtle and very nice. You do feel it, like you feel the saffron. Lovely stuff. The mint is like not super pronounced. It's not one of your like toothpaste or like chewing gum kind of vibe. No, it's very refreshing, uplifting, very energizing, very, very alive. It's wow, really, really good stuff. So definitely does not smell like any of these, the ones that I showed you. It's very different. I would say, in my opinion, it's very unique. And this is only the beginning, like the opening. So I'm gonna do on my skin right now. Look at that. Very nice atomizer, like big dose of mist, and if you like spray it from a bit of distance, it's gonna cover a lot of area. Man, very, very attractive. Like, it's very alluring. I can easily say, like, this is like one of your dumb rich fragrances. I mean, guys, ladies and gentlemen, like, this is like a trophy fragrance. Like, all the people, all my friends that said like Marshoud for White is a gem, it's a hidden gem, they were absolutely on point. Like, wow, wow, lovely stuff. Like, the best part is that, like, because it's airy, it's not cloying. There's kind of like a sweetness, beautiful citruses, almost feels creamy kind of citrus. It's not sour, it's not bitter, but citrus in general, beautiful stuff. I wonder what it's gonna smell like when it dries down. Wow. And my God, like, my video right here, it might seem like I'm hyping it up, but like, by all means, guys, this is totally hype worthy. The price point might be a bit too steep for some of you, but again, this is Eau de Parfum, and you know, it smells very rich, elegant, it's unique. I have not smelled anything like this before. No. Beautiful stuff. So guys, that was my first impression of Marshoud for White. I don't see this one talked about so much in the community. Definitely needs a lot more love. Man, it's opening up really nice. Like, the spicy saffron is coming through really good. This is like love at first sniff. Like, must try, guys. If you do find it somewhere, like someone's selling a partial, or you know, if you can buy the whole bottle, that's a 100 ml bottle Eau de Parfum concentration, and I can easily tell this thing's gonna last. Really, really lovely. Like, it's almost heavenly. Wonderful stuff. First impression of Marshoud for White from what was the name again? It was a pretty confusing Arabian name. Atyab Al Marshoud. Beautiful stuff. Must try, must try. So guys, until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.